Keycloak versus Authentic. Let's start with Keycloak, but first let's describe them both. So Keycloak and Authentic are both open source identity and access management or AIM tools designed to handle authentication, authorization, and user management. While they share similar goals, they cater to different audiences and use cases. Now for Keycloak, it offers enterprise-grade features, extensive integration, scalability, and customizations, which offers deep customization through themes, APIs, and custom authentication flows. While for Authentic, it offers user-friendly interface and has a lightweight deployment, flexible authentication methods, and open source advantage, which means it is fully open source with community-driven development and optional enterprise support. Now, for the downside though, Kcloak has a complex setup, so it's very challenging for new users to use. It is also has and requires a steep learning curve, so it's not that easy to learn. And for Authentic, well, it has a limited scalability, has a smaller community, and the research usage, despite being lightweight, can be intensive in certain configurations. So in conclusion, choose Kcloak if you're an enterprise requiring a robust, scalable IAM solution, and then opt or choose Authentic if you're a small to medium-sized organization seeking a user-friendly open source tool.